Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about enhancing project efficiency with virtual data room. Virtual data room VDR can significantly enhance project efficiency by streamlining document management, facilitating collaboration and improving communication among project stakeholders. Here are some ways that VDR can contribute to the project efficiency. Centralized document management. VDRs provide a centralized platform for storing and organizing project-related documents that eliminate the need of physically fill up storage and reduce the time spent searching for a specific document. With the version control and document indexing feature, team member and quickly locate the securing document sharing and access control. VDR offers robust security measurement for sensitive project document. Efficient collaboration. VDRs foster seamless collaboration among project team members regardless and their physical location. Features like document share commenting. Streamline due diligence processing. For project involving due diligence such as manager execution investment deals, VDRs streamline the process by providing a secure and organized environment for sharing sensitive information. Time saving search and retrieval. VDRs often include advanced searching improve version control, reporting and analysis. By leveraging the feature and capabilities of VDR, project teams can enhance collaboration, streamline documents management and improve communication ultimately reading. Thank you so much guys for watching my video.